This is try it problem number 2 from lesson 2-4. A florist sells a dozen roses for $35.40. She sells individual roses for the same unit cost. Write an equation to represent the relationship between the number of roses X and the total cost of the roses Y. Then, how much would 18 roses cost? Let's keep in mind a couple of things. First of all, when we talk about writing an equation, we're looking at the format of y equals k, which is the constant of proportionality, times x. So this constant of proportionality is also going to be the unit cost. So what we want to look at here is, what do we know to find the unit cost? Well, we know a couple of things. First, we know that the cost is $35.40. So I'm going to write that down as $35.40. And that would buy us a dozen roses. Now remember that a dozen roses is actually 12. So that would be for 12 roses. So if I wanted the unit cost, what I'm looking to do here is I'm just dividing this. So $35.40 divided by 12 roses is $2.95 per one rose. So the equation then would substitute the unit rate, because remember, this unit cost is what we call our K value, the constant proportionality. So this is going to become $2.95. So Y is going to equal $2.95 times X. X is going to stand for the number of roses, because remember, when we do this, this is Y over X. That's what equals K. So the Y is the cost, the X is roses. And that would make sense here, because we're going to take the number of roses, X, times $2.95. And that is what's going to help us solve this next part. So we want to know how much 18 roses are going to cost. So that just means take our equation, Y equals $2.95 X, which means the number of roses, and we're going to substitute the number of roses. Instead of X, we want now 18, because we're buying 18 roses. We know the amount that we're buying now. It's not going to need to be a variable. So we have $2.95. We're going to multiply that by 18, and we end up with a price of $53.10. And that is how we would solve the second example, the second try it problem for the second example.